Hello, my name is Ron Blue, and one of the most common questions that I get off of our website and the common questions that I get when I speak or am on the radio is, how do I set a budget? What do I have to do to control my spending? And I would like to say, first of all, I probably wouldn't call it a budget. I would call it a series of pre-made decisions, or better yet, a spending plan. And a plan denotes where I would like to go. It doesn't necessarily mean that it is the law. It is a plan. So a budget would be better characterized as, I have decided ahead of time where I believe I should spend my money, and I want to try to stay within those guidelines. I think there's really two important words to remember. Number one is time, and number two is flexibility. First of all, relative to time, you can't just set a budget overnight. I counsel people that it may take you as long as 1 or 2 years to really have a spending plan that you're comfortable with. For example, if you haven't had a spending plan, then you don't know where you've been spending money. So where you start is, where am I now spending money? And then you ask the question, is that where I want to spend it? And then third, how do I want to control my expenses? So it takes a long time to establish a spending plan. And secondly, I would say flexibility is a word that you need to remember. In other words, it is a plan. It is not the rule. It is not the law. It is something that is a guideline, and it will change over time because of changing circumstances. But if you're on a track, if you're on a plan, when those circumstances change, you can make adjustments very, very quickly. It's just like a detour on a trip. So my encouragement is, set a spending plan, but give yourself time and certainly be flexible. And thirdly, husband and wife should do this together because it's your plan, it's not his, and it's not hers.